Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Bangkok, Thailand, guys. It's a great time to be alive, or not, depending on what your portfolio is looking like right now. I know a lot of you are Debbie Downing right now, wetting the bed and running for the hills, guys. Change those diapers, guys. Buckle up. We are seeing that, we're seeing that the most of crypto markets are down. We're going to talk about why are the crypto markets down right now. So I'm going to try to shed some light on what is going on out there, and kind of give you guys a little bit of relief out there, and talk about what we could be seeing next, not only for Bitcoin, not only for Dogecoin, SHIBA INU, but also the markets in general. Where are we going to go? Is this going to be a continuation of the crypto contagion? Are we going to be going down, down, boys and girls? So we're going to be talking about that and much more, guys. So you're going to have to go down there, boop the likes, subscribe, and let's get this video started without any further delay. Remember, none of this is financial advice, guys and gals, and do go back and watch all of my other videos, guys. We had a huge warning. It was in my last video, so guys, go out and get that and take a look at that. So if we take a look at the heat map right now, that map is so hot, guys. We're seeing that the only thing that is up right now is the stable coins. Ouchie, woo, woo, woo. We're seeing that Bitcoin is down 8.77%, and there's a good possibility that we could be seeing Bitcoin collapsing to 21,000, guys. So buckle up and get ready for that. We could also be seeing that Ethereum could be going as low as $1,500 in now. So much of the gains that we gained last week is gone, guys. It's all evaporated. It's gone, guys. Just easy come, easy go. And it seems that, right now we're seeing the crypto markets take one step forward and two steps back. And that just seems to be the whole theme out there. Now, if you take a look at the broader markets out there, we're seeing right now for the U.S. markets are chankity, chank. It doesn't get any worse than that, guys. And we're seeing that the markets are going down. That's all I got to say about the markets. Are absolutely going down, down. It's not good, guys. It's not looking good. We are seeing the fear and greed is slightly above from yesterday, but this is going to refresh in about 10 hours and 2 minutes out there. And when that happens, it's going to be down, down. So we could be seeing ourselves getting back to like 28, 25-ish. So it is what it is. So we're seeing that, right now the SPX is down. That is not looking good. We're down about 1.06%. So that's not going to help. That's going to definitely put more pressure on the itty bitty baby. That will take down Dogecoin. That will take down everything. We're seeing insane rise today of the DXY. The DXY is going nutsoid out there, and I've been talking about this in my previous other videos, and it's at 107.7135. So it's not good, guys. It's absolutely not good. And we saw that, like the 15th of July was like, we're getting back to those levels again. And some people are anticipating that we could be seeing these levels again, where we get back up to like 200. And last time we saw 200 was like back in 2020, guys and gals. So it's not looking good. The DXY is just going insane in the membrane, and it's going to put a lot of pressure, definitely a lot of pressure on the broader markets, and it's going to just bring them down. It's going to bring them down. It's going to make everybody sad, including me. So the big crashy washy, technically has been Bitcoin right now, and Bitcoin is just hammering our last support at $21,228. It did go low. It did actually slightly break down from that support. We saw today a low of 21,235, but that looks like the 21,200 level did hold as support. But I'm getting a bad feeling that we're going to get a rejection, and we could see that Bitcoin could be going down to like $20,000, guys. So if that happens, guys, and we haven't seen that level. The last time we saw $20,000 was way back in 13th of July, so actually not too long ago, about a month, and that was when we hit a low of around about 18,900. So I was going to buy, I'm waiting to buy some Bitcoin. I was going to pick up some today, but I'm glad that I missed and I didn't do that. So I'm waiting actually tomorrow. I think I'm going to put a buy order probably around about $20,000. That's where I think we're going to go. Worst case scenario, $12,000 to $14,000. That's what I'm thinking. Guys, smash the likes, boot the likes, tell me what you think. Definitely the week is looking like poo-poo schmatter right now. We're down like 11%. Wow. And the previous week we're at up 4.95%. We saw that the high last week week was 25K, and look where we are today. Bang, we're out of there. So guys, just in case crypto is dead, most active investors in blockchain. I don't think crypto is dead. I mean, BlackRock doesn't think it's dead. They've invested 1.17 billion. Morgan Stanley don't think it's dead out there. They've invested 1.1 billion. Some people are saying, is BlackRock going to let Bitcoin collapse? No. They're not going to do that because they have a lot of Bitcoin right now, a lot riding. We're seeing Samsung have invested 979 million, Goldman Sachs 698 million, PayPal 650. We're seeing Microsoft with 477 million. We're seeing Citigroup 250 million. So that's kind of light chicken weight out there, and LG and American Express. So we're seeing that crypto is not dead. It's not dead. It's just taking a breather right now. So Justin, looks like BUSD has flipped XRP and become the 6th largest cryptocurrency in the world by market value. So let's take a look at that. Let's validate that. Let's absolutely validate that. Let's see if that's actually a factoid out there. So let's see. XRP. Yeah, it is. BUSD has just flippity flip XRP. So that's kind of kooky wacky out there. So this is also coming in, guys. This is also coming in right now. Just in 550 million has been liquidated from the cryptocurrency market in the past 24 hours. So right now we're seeing that the market cap is down 1.05 trillion, and if this contagion continues, we are going to be seeing that we could be going back below $1 trillion. So we're seeing the market cap is at 58.87 billion. I'm kind of laughing because I just this always happens, guys. And like I said, volatility is the price of admission. Bitcoin, the dominance is coming down, so that's good. That's good news. That's absolutely good news. So what the heck is going on right now? Why is cryptocurrency market crashing right now? What's going on? Why is cryptocurrency market crashing today? What's going on with that? So let's dive in. So just when investors thought that the markets were in recovery mode, the markets gave out a reality check. Boom! We got checkity check. The cryptocurrency market is crashing today as leading cryptos are down double digits, and that's true. Most of crypto is down double digits. There's still fear and panic as most cryptos shed the gains they generated last week, and that's true. Like most of those gains, I'm just gonna get a quick cup of tea here. Excuse my throat's dry. I've had a kind of a stomach ache all day. My throat's getting dry. Maybe I'm coming down with something. The dreaded allergy might be getting me. So the crypto markets have continually been trading one step forward and two steps back in 2022, and that just seems to be the theme that's been rhyming, and it's so infuriating. When we get like a breakout, we think things are going up and things are looking good. Woohoo! The glorious days are coming. We just take two steps back. That's what we're seeing happening right now. So it looks like today's crash is no different. Bitcoin has plummeted, guys. Bitcoin has plummeted 8% on Friday. That's today, with Ethereum down 5%. And we could expect us to go further south, and that's true. We've definitely gone down. We've gone further south because down it's like 8.78% for Ethereum right now. Like, what's going on out there? So in the last 24 hours, $550 million worth of cryptocurrency has been liquidated from the markets. It's more like 600 right now. The overall crypto market cap is now down nearly 7% and is standing at 0.9 trillion. Well, that's not true anymore, boys and girls. It's like 1.09 time recording, guys. Could be down, and the liquidation numbers are expecting to fall even further as Bitcoin is on a downward spiral. So if we take a look at the average APYs right now, it is a staggering $602 million have been rickety wrecked out there. The apazoids have lost their shirts out there, and it's amazing. 168,000 traders have been wrecked, guys. Don't leverage trade. The market makers are going to take the liquidity every time, all the time, every single time. And look at the liquidations. They've all been longs, guys. So I tell you, the market makers have wiped out the longs, taken all the liquidity. As I told you, we had this huge big green vector on the weekend, and exactly the height of that green vector, which is an upside, we've now got a huge down red vector, and the market makers have taken all the liquidity, guys. They've actually done that. That's what's going on. They do it time and time again. Nobody learns, nobody listens. They think that, this is just market conditions. No, it is the market makers taking the liquidity, guys, and they have their playbook, and it's like almost like clockwork. But the good thing is if you zoom out Wendy trendy trend, Bitcoin's going up. Crypto will go. So let's jump into it. Let's jump into the short and curly of it. Why is crypto market crashing today? Well, here we go. The markets first of all, the markets have reacted to FOMC meeting minutes as reports state that the Fed's plan more interest rate hikes to tame inflation. So, basically they're still saying that we got inflation, we're going to hike the rates out there, and inflation is here. So the U.S. Central Bank, has explicitly revealed that the upcoming interest rates hike publicly. However, the meeting minutes suggest that the policymakers are committed to raising rates again. So, this is this whole rate rising again, and that's why we're having this whole tankety tank from the FOMC meeting. The policymakers also agreed that inflation rates did not stabilize, did not subsidize, despite their previous attempts to tame inflation. So what they're saying is that inflation is not going down. Yeah. Also, I told you about Hold Your Nuts has slashed 80% of its workers. Not good. And therefore, there are higher chances that the Feds might be increasing interest rates again in September. The decision will be confirmed next month in the minutes, guys. So that is why the markets are down, because people believe that we're going to get more interest rates, and it's basically inflation is scaring the bejesus out of people right now. So that is what is going on. That is why we're seeing this whole reaction out there, and it's just coming to fruition right now. We had this bit of a pump, bit of a frenzy out there. It was market makers, but the reality is we're going to get more rate hikes. Inflation ain't under control. So stock money lizards is saying that, look, we're getting pretty close to this. We got this ascending wedge here on the RSI, and we're getting pretty close to flipping to the bullish right now. I don't feel like it, but it could be coming soon. Also, guys, just to give you an update, I have been talking about Canada, that Canada has added some restrictions to buying cryptocurrencies, and to a maximum of 30,000 Canadian dollars, right? So when you buy restricted cryptocurrencies, and remember, in Canada right now, cryptocurrencies that are restricted are every single darn tootin' cryptocurrency except Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, I don't know why, and a biddy, right? So we got those four babies. Those are not restricted, but everything else is restricted. And you'll be, as I said, you will be limited to $30,000 Canadian. What is up with that? So I thought it was the whole of Canada, and then I thought it was just Ontario. Because that's where the Ontario SEC said. But in fact, this is it. So these are the provinces. Remember, the provinces are like states in America. Okay, so New Brunswick, wherever that is, Newfoundland, Nova Scotia, Nunavut. I don't know what that is. Nunavut, they've got a new province out there. Okay, that's a new one on me. Northwest Ontario. Anybody actually living up here? Ontario, Prince Edward Island, Saskatchewan, Yukon Territories. I hear it's pretty cold up there. And okay, so net buy limits will not impact if you live in these provinces. So if you're in Alberta, British Columbia, Manitoba, Quebec, it don't apply. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. So we got 9 out of the 13 provinces, aka states, out there where you are going to be limited. So it looks like Canada's going full communist on us, and what's going on with that? So it is what it is. There you go. If you're in Canuckville, you're in one of these provinces out there, and you're in trouble, guys. And this was sent to me by TK, one of my subscribers. Thank you, sis. I appreciate it. Much love, and huggies out there. I appreciate it. So it looks like just in $605 million has now been liquidated. Ouch. The market is going down like crazy. So top cryptocurrencies in the world by Twitter right now, and and that is why I have been telling everybody call to action. I'm going to tell you what the call to action is in a second. Bitcoin, BNB is number 1, followed by Bitcoin, SHIB, Dogecoin. So here it is. I keep telling you guys out there, the SHIB army, wake up, get off your butts, and get onto Twitter, guys, and start tweeting, start following the Dogecoin Twitter account. We need to get we need this number 1. We're number 4. Like, come on. Guys, wake up. Ethereum number 5, XRP, CRO, Solana, Polygon, and Cake, guys. Cake, which is part of the BSC chain out there. So we need to get more involvement, more Doge stuff happening. So get out there, tweet, and show some love. So this is from Mustache House, and what he's saying basically is that if you look at the 2018, 2019 factual right here, you can see that we have the similarities are incredible, guys. It's absolutely incredible. It's almost like someone just like copied this and pasted it over, but it's not. This is 2018. This happened already. This is in the past. This is in the future, in case I got nit and pick out there. So it looks like if BTC continues like this, it is in the process of making a higher low before going higher. RSI also looks pretty darn too familiar out there. So it looks like, we are right here, low and a higher low, low, higher low. So we're about to make a higher low, but we need to break down a little bit. It looks like, this is calling for like a 20,000, I would say about $20,000 Bitcoin. And then from that point, we should have a reversal to the upside. So that's what's looking like. It looks pretty similar. Smash the likes, boot the likes. What do you guys think? Looking pretty similar. I think it's looking pretty similar. Looks like this from Josh House. Bitcoin is getting closer to a first price target, and he's saying the first price target is $21,000. I think we could be going as low as 20, guys. If you look at this, 20,000 is in the cards, guys. So buckle up, watch out, guys, watch out. Let's take a look at what's going on right now. For the price of Doge, Doge is still at 0.69. 69. So we just got a little bit of a love pump out there from the Doge. We're loving the Doge. Woof woof. So we still got this 0.68 that's holding as good support right now. So that I'm going to change that to green because we need that. We need to keep the green and green. So that is looking pretty good so far. But this 0.73 area, which was a really nice support level, flipped for support over the weekend, has now become a huge resistance level. So I'm not loving it. I'm not happy. So guys and gals, once again, don't forget to get your crypto off get your crypto off hard. Get your crypto off centralized exchanges. Get them off lending platforms, and get yourself an nano ledger. If you don't own the crypto keys, you don't own your crypto. So go down there, check out my link, guys, and you can also show love and support by using my affiliate link, guys, and that will help. It doesn't cost you more, but it helps the channel. So we're also seeing that the SHIBA INU has done a big tankety tank. It's at 13 right now, and from its highs that we had on the 14th of August, from here, and if we go all the way down to where we are right now, we're getting up 27%. I'll repeat that, 27%. That is nuts, guys. And if you take a look at the Doge out there, let's do the kind of same thing. If we go to the top here and we go down to here, what? It's like 25%. So Doge is doing better than SHIB, but it's kind of weird and wacky that we're seeing, kind of like a 27% drop out there. That is nuts out there, guys. Let's see what's going. Let's take a look at what Biddy's done. So if we take a look at the top here, which was on the 14th, right? Same. And we go all the way from here down to here. We're only looking at a 15%. So that is not too bad. Looks like Bitcoin is doing a lot better out there. So that is good news out there. Let's take a look at the Ethereum. What is going on for Ethereum? Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum, like I said, it got rejected on the weekend. It went up to 2,000 reject. It tried 3 times to get above $2,000, but we got rejected. And it is what it is. Right now we're below $1,700 right now. It ain't looking good for Ethereum. How low could we go? I mean, we've got some nice support here around about 1,300. Let me just paint that in for you. Let me take that out there and change that to greeny. And we got some support right there. So hopefully that will hold. That could be our next stop right there, guys and gals. So that is going to bring this video to an endy out there. So guys, once again, these are the provinces that are banning. These are provinces are not banning, but the restriction of how much you can buy in 1 year. So with that being said, guys, don't forget, thank you, TK, much love. I appreciate that. And looks like we've got a 4,645. Can we get this to 5,000 followers? Follow. Do it right now. Guys, if you're watching, don't forget to boop the like, smash the like, show some love. I appreciate it. And subscribe, baby. All my links are below, guys. Dogecoin, TP jar. So send some Dogecoin our way. I appreciate it. Buy a channel, coffee, the Nano Ledger hardware wallet. Affiliate link is right there. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. I would appreciate it. I would appreciate that. And don't forget to become a Patreon member. Buy John Coffee. What's wrong with me? I'm mixing up my words. And guys, don't forget to get the cup to cup, and get all the merch, guys, all the merch and that stuff. Don't forget, we got a charity video that's going to be coming out in about a week to 2 weeks. So we're going to be updating you on that. I would appreciate it. So guys and gals, I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of the community. Thank you for showing love. Thank you for giving love. Be well. Be fantastic out there. Be safe. Peace out.